I am so excited for this week's video. Oh my gosh. I feel like a child in The Sound of Music. Are you kidding me? Why is this so good? They are made of questionable materials. I feel very, quirky. I'm being spoiled here. Oh, these are cool. Hi friends. Today we are unboxing and styling a personalized vintage mystery thrift bundle. We've all seen those personalized or themed mystery thrift bundles you can get on places like Depop, and I have honestly always wanted to try one. So imagine my delight when I got the absolute sweetest Instagram message from a subscriber asking if they could send me a personalized bundle. They did not present it on the condition of making a video or mentioning the shop or anything, but I just absolutely love watching these videos, so I thought it would be so fun to make. Based on their Instagram and everything, I have very high hopes. Everything in their shop looks amazing. Before we open, I just want to give you the info that this person was working with. They are a subscriber, so obviously they know my style from YouTube, but they did also ask a few questions about my sizes and measurements, my wish list items, an inspo board, and anything I wouldn't wear. So I sent all those over. Here's the Pinterest board, including examples of the wish list items I mentioned as well. And for things I wouldn't wear, I mentioned I don't wear low rise, but I'm open to pretty much anything else. I also said to please feel free to deviate from this specific board and just go with anything they think I would be into. They could also look at my general style inspo Pinterest board for more ideas. Overall, I'm feeling super open-minded to whatever comes my way here. Okay, let's open this box. I'm gonna clip my mic, hold on. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Okay, there's a little note, but I'm gonna save it for the end just so I'm not spoiled. Okay, let's start opening. First up, ooh. What is this? Oh my god. This is literally exactly what I had on my Pinterest board. I have been wanting a neutral mini skirt that is like khaki green or brown or something like that. I mean, literally look at the example pictures and look at this skirt. This is perfect. The material also feels amazing, which I did specify. I was like, hey, I'm so sorry. I don't want to be pushy. I just want you to know that like, I really value comfort. And they were like, girl, I know, I watch your YouTube. And I was like, oh, okay. I don't want to assume you've like retained anything from my videos, but this feels so good. I'm so excited. It does look like it might be a little big, but we'll try it on. I can always alter it. Okay, next thing. Ooh. What? Why is this so good? This is so cute. This is a skirt. It's knitted and it's like little asymmetrical with a little ribbon trim. Literally also spot on. This box is nailing it so far. I love long skirts. I wear them constantly, as you know, if you watch my videos. And I've really been wanting some with more like asymmetrical details on them. And this is exactly that. This is so perfect. Wow, the knitted texture is so interesting too. This is so cool. Okay, next. Oh, this looks gorgeous. What the heck? Oh my gosh. You know I love a fluffy white blouse. The little lacy looking trim and this gathered texture. This is so pretty. This is like the kind of thing that I probably wouldn't pick up for myself at the thrift store, but I'm so excited to try it out because it's just so beautiful and interesting and unique, but still looks like pretty wearable. Okay, what next? Another white item. What could it be? Oh, how precious. Another little white floaty blouse, but this one's a tank top. It looks like maybe vintage pajamas. It's eyelet, so it is transparent, which makes it a little less practical, but it is adorable. The little ribbon, so cute. Also, cannot stress enough how good all these fabrics feel. This is so pretty. Wow, maybe I'll just wear this as pajamas. Maybe it's not pajamas. I'll find out in the note. Okay, another white cotton thing that feels absolutely lovely. Oh my god, it's matching pants with the little, okay, I'm quite confident this is pajamas, but look how freaking cute these are. Are you kidding me? This is adorable. Wow, I'm so excited to try these on. These do also seem a little transparent, but these would be perfect as like little bloomer pants, bloomer capris. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, I'm so excited to style them. This is thrilling. Next up. Ooh, some sort of cargo-y cargo pants. Oh, these are kind of sick. Oh, these are cool. Look at these little snap cuffs that can like cinch them in a little bit at the bottom. That is sick. These do appear to be a lower rise based on this zipper length, but we'll see. We'll see how they fit on. And I mean, they're sick. Look at them. Look at them. These are also so much like so many of the things on my Pinterest. Absolutely nailed it. Okay, there's one thing left, I think. Oh my God, there's more than one. Wow, it just keeps going. Okay, next we have this little knit. Oh, this is so cute. Little knit sweater. I love this subtle color contrast of the collar and the body and the little pockets. It's an acrylic cotton wool blend, but it feels quite good to me. Wool sometimes makes me nervous because I can find it itchy sometimes, but so far this feels pretty good. We'll see how it is on. Okay, now I think there's only one thing left. It's beautiful plaid. Oh no, there's two things left. Oh my God. I'm being spoiled here. Oh, this is adorable. This is just a little plaid blouse and it feels so light and easy breezy. And I love a colorful plaid. It's got a bit of a patchwork look to it too. This is so cute. Wow. I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, the last thing, what could it be? Oh, this is just a sick skirt. How cool is this pattern? What the heck? I love this. It's like a little vacation postcard pattern. Looks like photos of, where is this supposed to be? I don't want to guess and embarrass myself, so I don't know, but if anyone knows, let me know. This is so cute though, and I absolutely love these colors. The blue with like these little shots of warm red and then green and warm neutrals. This is so my color palette. Oh my God. This is thrilling. Okay, I think that's everything. Yes. And now let's read the little note. Okay, so it mentions that the skirt might be too big, but this Depop creator just couldn't pass up adding it. I so agree. It's so perfect. Okay, these, it says, are pajamas. So cute to wear either as pajamas or just to be worn separately. I agree. This, it just says, love the material and the fit. I'm excited to try it on. And the interior material is this sort of smooth, stretchy fabric, not this knit, which I do think will be comfortable on the skin. This, it says, would be cute for layering. I agree. For these, it says, the khaki cargo pants are 90s Morgan de Trois. Look at the tag. Oh my gosh. And now I'm embarrassed because I don't actually know what that is. So I'll have to do some research immediately. For this one, it just says, do I really need to explain why I put this in? So cute. And no, of course you don't. This is adorable and so extremely me. You get me. Then it says these last two are sort of bonus freebies because they are made of, as they wrote, questionable materials. But they just thought I would like them, and I do really like them aesthetically. So we will see how they feel. And it also says, feel free to sell, donate, or give away any of the pieces that are not for you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Judy. I'm so excited. But the real question is, how will they actually fit? So let's try them on and get styling. Okay, I couldn't resist starting with these cargo pants because they're so cool, but I was a little nervous, so I just had to know. And I am pleasantly surprised. The fit, I would say, is definitely more of a mid-rise. I feel like this is a height of pants that I could be comfortable with, especially with something baggy on top. And I actually think this is such a good way to style this. I was actually already wearing my other cargo pants before, so these sub right into the outfit perfectly. Yeah, I think I'm kind of obsessed with these. I'm kind of in love. They feel amazing. They're so comfortable. They're loose, they're lightweight, they're cotton. I'm also in love with this leg shape. I love that they're wide, but then we have these snaps on the bottom so I can like cinch them in slightly. I had a lot of pants that were sort of wide and then cinched on my Pinterest board, sort of a barrel shape. And I feel like these incredibly fulfill that quite well. I will say, I think these are a little big on me, but I did say in my note that I like oversized clothes and I would much rather have something be too big than too small. I really hate things that feel too tight. So if multiple things end up being oversized, that's on me. The only other thing of note is that this clasp is actually missing. There's like a little slot for the hook, but there's no hook. I would totally wear these as is without having to like repair them. I feel really good in these. They're so comfortable and they look so sick. Okay, next we have our little white blouse and this skirt. This skirt is amazing. I will say, I think both of these are a little too big for me, but again, that's on me. That's what I said I wanted. The skirt, I mean, it's slipping down and I wish it had more of a high-rise fit on me because that's just how I prefer my clothes to fit. Although I think I could alter it pretty easily. Regardless, this skirt is gorgeous and adorable and so comfy. And it's like warm. This will be so good for fall and winter. The shape is so what I've been looking for. Just like a little interesting additional detail additional shaping beyond just the overall shape of a skirt. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I've been looking for, and that's what this has. I love it. So my style. This top, also gorgeous, so comfortable, feels amazing. I think it looks lovely with this skirt as well. If I were gonna like really style it, I think tall boots are perfect. And then I would probably add a jacket like this one. I don't know. I mean, that kind of covers like the fun parts of the shirt, but I feel like you need some sort of layering, right? Should we try it with like a vest instead? Okay, I think this also looks good, although again, it covers, I don't want to cover this ruching because it's like the coolest part. I wonder how it would work if I wore it open over something else. Let's try one more thing. Okay, so I'm just trying it here over the plaid tank top. The only thing I don't love is this little flap here, but I wonder if I could just pin that out of the way. For now, we'll just like tuck it. Okay, now let me show you this top, but let's actually try it with the mini skirt. Okay, we have to talk about the skirt first because unfortunately it is too big. It fits quite perfectly low rise on me, but I think it's supposed to fit high rise and that's how I would want it to fit. However, it is so perfect in every other way. I think I might just alter it and keep it. I can just take it in a little bit on each side, and this is my dream skirt. It's a comfortable material, it's a fit I like, it's a length I like, it's like sturdy enough. This is perfect. Maybe I can hold it up with a belt just for the moment. Okay, it's a little bunched up in the back, but you know, it's fine. Anyway, on to the shirt. I mean, this is adorable. This is like so completely my style. I absolutely love these colors. I love the patchwork look. I love plaid. The material is so light and so soft. I cannot imagine something more perfect for summer. This shirt is a little bit roomy on me. I mean, you can tell because it has a side zipper. It's supposed to be like a snatched fit. However, I don't really like a snatched fit unless something is stretchy. So I am all good with the little extra room. I would say the only thing about this that I'm uncertain about is the size of the armholes. I am so picky about this and this person had no way of knowing. So like, this is just a me thing. But I hate when armholes are too small. Like I want it to cut down to like here normally. And this one, I don't know yet. It's not small enough to be an immediate no, but I'm not quite sure yet how it'll actually feel to wear throughout the day IRL. But I do love it aesthetically and the fabric feels great. And look how cute it is with this skirt. Also, everything in here very much fits the vintage selling point. I know sometimes there are mystery boxes where people are like vintage selling and then, you know, it's not giving vintage. But these, as far as I can tell, all genuinely are. I feel like I gotta finish styling this outfit like for fall just because, you know, I said we were styling. For this season, I would add a cardigan. I've been quite into this long line cardigan recently, which I've had since college. I feel like with this sort of, I don't know, 2000s-y look, the longer line cardigan kind of makes sense. I would totally wear this for fall. This feels super me. I mean, all these pieces honestly feel extremely me. I feel like they would all fit into my wardrobe so well. I'm kind of stoked. Okay, let's try on the pajamas next. Okay, is this little vintage pajama set not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I feel adorable. I feel like a little princess, maybe like a child in The Sound of Music. Do they wear pajamas like this? I don't remember, but it feels like they would. This is so cute, so darling, so comfortable. On top, honestly, I don't think it's too bad transparency-wise because it has little like eyelet holes in it. I think I would wear it with something under it, but with the pink bralette, I think it's working just fine. The bottoms, I do think are just too sheer. I'm wearing like light pink nude underwear right now and you can kind of still see it. So I don't think these would work for me as like actual pants. However, they could be like the perfect velour pants to wear under like a dress or something. This top is missing a button or two, but like it's perfectly long enough as is and I could always move this button up. If I were gonna style this to like actually wear out, let's pretend it's not transparent. I think these shoes go so perfectly. They're so adorable. The little rosettes like with the little ribbon is just so cute. And then, I mean, this would be perfect for summer on its own with like a little basket bag or something. However, if I were gonna layer it up, maybe we're styling it for fall. I don't know. A leather jacket could also be kind of iconic. I do feel like we have to try styling each piece separately as well. So first, I want to try these little pants under a dress. Okay, I know this isn't going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I think it is so cool and so cute. I feel like this dress is a perfect contender to wear some sort of bloomery pajama pants underneath because it's very fall winter, but it's short. So I feel like it would work well with a little more coverage on the legs. The beret is just like a fun final touch to tie all the whimsy together. I feel great in this. I think it's adorable. All right, now we have the top of the pajamas, which for fall, I think I would style with a cardigan and a long skirt. I actually love how this little ruffled bottom lines up perfectly to poke out from the bottom of this cardigan. I also like how this neckline kind of still shows the bows, or at least the ribbon. And I like how these open buttons give us a little drapiness over the skirt. All right, we're on to our last two items, and I actually thought they could look kind of cute together, but let's talk about each piece individually. Firstly, this sweater, such an adorable design. The colors are so fun, the pockets, the contrasting neck. However, I don't think I love the fit or the fabric enough for it to be worth keeping. I really tend to prefer a more oversized fit in sweaters, and so I think like this fits me perfectly fine, but I don't really want my sweaters to fit me. I want them to be a little big on me. The material's fine. It's not like particularly scratchy or anything. It's just also not particularly soft. So I think I'll probably end up passing this sweater on, but it is adorable. I feel very quirky in this sweater and this outfit. It's so cute with the skirt. Speaking of which, the skirt I'm kind of loving. It's a little bit roomy in the waist, but I actually really like that because it's still fitted enough to stay up, but not so fitted that it's like cinched to the smallest part of my waist. It slips down a little bit, which just like gives me a little more room, especially because it's not stretchy at all. So I'm glad it's a little loose. The fabric is actually totally fine for me. I'm pretty sure it's polyester, but I don't mind this in bottoms on a skirt. I'm much more sensitive to it on top. And I love the print of this. Overall, I just really like it and think it's very cute, very me. Let's do some outfits with these separately. Okay, this sweater gives me sort of like a gorpy granola-y vibe. So my first thought was to go with sort of like a little hiking outfit. We got my little cargo pants, although this would also be awesome with the cargo pants I just got. We got my sneakers. We got a little beanie for another pop of bright color and sort of an outdoorsy vibe. I think this is so cute. And then if you needed like another layer, if you need a sweater and a hat, you know, it's probably cold out. Ugh. So you might need a jacket like this one. Okay, this might be one of my favorite outfits in this entire video. I am so into this. This feels extremely me, extremely comfy and wearable, but also so cool and interesting. I love this skirt with the blue stripes, but then we have a warm salad tone to balance it all out. I can't wait to wear this skirt. I'm so into this. I'm so excited. I love this. A+. Overall, this seller absolutely knocked it out of the park. These pieces were all amazing, all very aligned with my style, totally fit the brief, got some of my like dream wish list items. That skirt and those cargo pants are probably my two favorites. It's hard to choose. This was such a hit. The seller is Sugar Thrifts on Instagram and Depop, although I believe right now their Depop shop is closed, but they're still doing personalized mystery bundles on Instagram. I will link it below if you want to check it out. I feel like, honestly, the only real issues I had with this are things that are always going to come up when you're shopping online, like just super specific fit preferences that you can't know until you try it on in person. And even then, they were all pretty minor things. So overall, I'm super happy with this. This was a thrilling experience. I'm very excited to keep styling many of these pieces. I'm not sure if I'll end up keeping every single thing, even if I find them really beautiful and delightful, just because I'm trying to be very selective about what I bring into my wardrobe. But for now, the only one I feel confident I'm going to pass along is the sweater. Everything else I'm at least going to keep playing around with, see how much I wear it, see how it works out in the day-to-day for me personally. All right. Thanks so much for joining me on this fun little experiment. It is so fun that I get to do this for my job and that someone wanted to send me this. Thank you so much to this Depop seller. Again, will be linked below. If you're interested in more mystery thrift styling, but on the more outdated Goodwill reject end, you can check out one of these videos right here, styling Goodwill mystery bundles. And I heard if you do watch another video, leave a comment and subscribe, you'll get a mystery bundle with your dream pieces in it. I can't guarantee that. No promises. That's just what I heard might happen. If you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.